Learn Tagalog criticisms. Pakiayos nga ng upo mo, para kang hindi babae. Kindly sit properly. It seems you're not a girl. Matangkad na si James. James is tall now. Napakaganda naman ng inaanak ko. My godchild is very beautiful. Kanino ka ba nagmana? Who did you inherit from? Napakalaki ng bahay nila. Their house is very big. Napakaliit ng bahay nila. Their house is very small. Napakalinis ng bahay nila. Their house is very clean. Medyo masungit ang tita mo. Your aunt is a little rugged. Nagdadalaga na siya, ayaw nang maglaro. She's in her puberty stage. She doesn't want to play. Bakit ang puti-puti mo? Why your skin is so white? Anong ginagamit mong pampaganda? What product or makeup do you use? Ang gwapo naman ng kapatid mo. May nobya na ba siya? Your brother is so handsome. Does he already have a girlfriend? Ang ganda naman ng relo mo. Mamahalin siguro yan. Your watch is beautiful. It must be expensive. Nakita mo na ba ang kotse niya? Ang gara, di ba? Did you already see his car? It's so extravagant, right? Ang lambot ng kamay mo. Your hand is so soft. Mapungay ang mga mata mo. Your eyes are tantalizing. Masyado kang madaldal. Minsan tumahimik ka naman. You're very talkative. Sometimes you shut up your mouth. May mga tigyawat ka na. You already have pimples. Dalaga ka na, kaya dapat marunong ka nang mag-ayos. You're a lady now. You should know how to use makeup. Tingnan mo ang kapatid niya. Hindi sila magkamukha. Look at her or his sibling. They're not identical. Mahaba na ang buhok mo. Kailan ka ba magpapagupit? Your hair is long. When will you get a haircut? Ikaw lang ang naiiba sa magkakapatid. You're the only different among the siblings. Si Jane ay maganda at mabait na asawa. Jane is a beautiful and kind wife. Masyado kang makaluma. You're very old-fashioned. Masyado kang maluho. You're very luxurious. Tularan mo ang mga kapatid mo, hindi magastos. Imitate your thrifty siblings. Napakatamad mo naman. Ayaw mo man lang pagpawisan. You're very lazy. You don't even want to get sweat. Kalbo pala ang tatay mo. Your father is bald. Nagustuhan ko ang bigay mong sapatos. I love the shoes you gave. Lasang bulok yung binigay mong ulam. The food you gave tastes rotten.